Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we break down all things tech and finance in the simplest way possible. Today I'm super excited because we're diving into something that's going to make your banking life a whole lot easier. Have you ever stared at your phone, wondering how to quickly pay a bill or send money to a friend without all the hassle? Well, if you're using the Citizen State Bank app, that little pay button is your new best friend. Stick around because in the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works, step by step. And trust me, by the end, you'll be paying like a pro. If this helps you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let's get into it. First things first, let's make sure you're all set up. Open up your Citizen State Bank app on your smartphone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head to the App Store or Google Play. It's free and super secure. Once you're in, you'll need to log in with your username and password, or better yet, use that fingerprint or Face ID for lightning-fast access. All right, now look at the bottom of your screen. See that navigation bar? There's Home, Accounts, Transfer, and yep, right there, the Pay button. It's usually highlighted in blue or whatever your app's theme is, but it's hard to miss. Tap on it and boom, you're in the payment hub. Now, what can you actually do with this Pay button? It's like a one-stop shop for all your outgoing money needs. Let's start with the basics. Paying bills. Say you've got a utility bill staring you down. From the Pay screen, you'll see options like Pay a Bill or Bill Pay. Tap that, and the app will ask if you want to add a new payee or choose from existing ones. If it's a new one, enter the company name, account number, and amount. The app even has a search feature to find common billers like your electric company or cable provider automatically. Hit Submit, review the details, and confirm. Just like that, your payment is scheduled. Pro tip, set up auto pay for recurring bills so you never miss a due date again. It's a game changer for avoiding those pesky late fees. But wait, there's more. The Pay button isn't just for bills, it's killer for sending money to people too. Look for the Send Money or Person-to-Person option. This uses something like Zelle, which is built right in for Citizen State Bank users. Enter your friend's email or phone number, the amount, and a quick memo like, "Thanks for lunch." The money zips over instantly if they're enrolled, or they get a notification to sign up. No more awkward Venmo requests at dinner. Handle it all within your bank app. And get this, it's free for most transfers, so you're not wasting cash on fees. Okay, let's talk about making payments to your credit card or loan if you have those with Citizen State Bank. Back on the Pay screen, select Make a Payment to an Account. It'll pull up your linked accounts, like your auto loan or credit card. Choose the one, enter the amount, maybe the minimum or the full balance, and pick a date. Confirm, and it's done. This keeps everything in one place so you don't have to juggle multiple apps or websites. Oh, and if you're worried about security, the app uses top-notch encryption and alerts you for any suspicious activity. You can even set up notifications for when payments go through. Now, for the advanced stuff, what if you need to pay someone internationally or handle a wire transfer? The PAY button has got you covered there too, but it might require a quick call to the bank for setup, especially for wires. Just tap into Transfers from PayY, select Wire or International, and follow the prompts. Enter the recipient's bank details, amount, and currency. Fees apply here, so double-check those, but it's way faster than going to a branch. One thing that makes this button so viral-worthy, it's intuitive and saves you time. Imagine you're at a coffee shop splitting the bill. Pull out your phone, hit Pay, send the cash, done in under a minute. Or you're lounging on the couch, remembering that rent is due, Pay button to the rescue. Citizen State Bank designed it to be user-friendly with helpful tooltips and a chat support option right in the app if you get stuck. All right, wrapping this up. If you've been fumbling with payments, the PayY button in the Citizen State Bank app is about to change your life. It's simple, secure, and speedy. Give it a try today and let me know in the comments how it goes for you. Did this video help? Drop a comment below, share it with a friend who's always late on bills, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more banking hacks. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.